Welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we'll go through the uses of function keys. So let's get started. Number one, we have the F1 key. If you press it, it opens up the help window in all applications. For me, it opens up in a browser. If I press the F1 key again, it opens up the help tab for that particular browser. Next one we have is F2 key. Now this is famous for renaming the files and folders. So if you just want to rename a file, for example this one, if you click on it and then you press the F2 key, it goes to the rename option and then you can just type in the new name. On number 3 we have F3 key. This key can be used to open up the search menu. For example, if you press the F3 key here, it doesn't do anything for me. However, on some computers it will open up, or it will go down to this search box and then you can type in different things to search for different options. And you can use this in a browser as well. If you're here and you press the F3 key, it opens up the find on page option and then you can type in, for example, about, and then it highlights that particular text. Next we have F4 key. Now F4 key, if used in combination of Alt, if you press Alt plus F4, it gives you the shutdown window. Alternatively, if you're in a browser, if you press the F4 key, it takes you to the address bar. F5 key. This key, if you're in a browser and you press the F5 key, it refreshes that particular page for you. And if you're on the home page, some of you like to do the refreshing repeatedly. So if you do this once and then you press the F5 key, as you can see, it refreshes the screen for you. So you can do this as a shortcut to that. F6 key. F6 key is used if you're in a browser and you press the F6 key, it takes you to the address bar. So this is another shortcut for this. Alternatively, if you're on your home screen or desktop, if you press the F6 key, it goes down to the taskbar, and then if you keep pressing it, it switches between different options. F7 key. Now F7 key can be used in Microsoft Word. So if you press F7 while you're in Microsoft Word, it opens up the spelling and grammar section for you, and you can simply change the mistakes which you've made in the typing, and then that's it, done. F8 key. Now this key can be used to open up the safe menu for you, or the safe mode. While you're restarting your computer, if you hold this key, it opens up a safe mode. It's a Windows mode with less drivers, so that can be helpful when you want to troubleshoot any Windows related issues. That can be used over there. F9 key. This key, it doesn't have an essential function in Windows. However, you can use this in combination with Control and the Alt keys within Microsoft Word. F10 key. Now F10 key, if you're in Microsoft Word and if you press the F10 key, it shows you different hotkeys for different tabs over here, and if you press any of these, then it gives you further hotkeys for each of the sections. Alternatively, you can also use F10 key in combination with Shift, and if you press that, it works as a right click, and it can also work same way on your desktop as well. F11 key. This can be used to go full screen mode. For example, if you're in a browser window, if you press F11, it takes you in a full screen mode, and if you press it again, it comes back to normal view. F12 key. This can be used, it's basically a shortcut to save a file. So for example, if you press the F12 key, it works as a save as screen, so it takes you to the save as screen, and you can simply save the file. You can also use it in combination with the Shift key, and then if you press Shift plus F12, it quickly saves the file for you. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do it now so you can stay tuned to our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.